Hello everyone. Welcome to today's English speaking practice video. In this lesson we'll go through a very common scenario, making a hotel reservation. You'll get to learn how to ask questions, make requests, and respond in everyday English. Let's jump right in.
Hello. Thank you for calling Sunshine Hotel. My name is Emma. How can I assist you today?
Emma. I'd like to make a reservation for next weekend.
Of course. I'd be happy to help with that. May I ask for your name, please?
Sure. My name is Alex Carter.
Thank you, Alex. Could you please tell me the dates you'd like to stay with us?
I'm planning to arrive on Friday, the 22nd of September, and check out on Sunday, the 24th.
Let me confirm that for you. So, you'll be staying from Friday, the 22nd, to Sunday, the 24th. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right.
Great. Now, how many people will be staying with you?
It'll be just me.
All right, a single room then. Would you prefer a standard room, a deluxe room, or a suite?
Could you explain the difference between the rooms?
Of course. The standard room is our most affordable option. It comes with a queen-size bed, free Wi-Fi, and a complimentary breakfast. The deluxe room is a bit larger, with a king-size bed, a view of the city, and access to our gym and pool. Lastly, the suite offers a separate living area, a larger bathroom, and a mini fridge. It's perfect if you want more space and luxury.
That sounds great. I think I'll go with the deluxe room.
Excellent choice. Let me check availability for those dates. Pause for typing sounds. Yes, we do have a deluxe room available. The total for 2 nights will be $300. Would you like to proceed with the booking?
Yes, let's go ahead with that.
Wonderful. How would you like to pay? We accept credit cards, debit cards, or PayPal.
I'll use my credit card.
Okay. Could you please provide me with your credit card number, expiration date, and the name on the card?
Sure. The number is 12345678987654432. Expiration date is 11/25, and the name is Alex Carter.
Thank you. And just to confirm, the deluxe room for 2 nights will be $300, which will be charged to your card now. Does that sound good?
Yes, that's fine.
Great. Your payment has been processed. I'll now send a confirmation to your email. Could you please provide me with your email address?
Sure, it's alex.carter@email.com.
Got it. I've sent you the confirmation email. Please check to make sure all the details are correct. Is there anything else I can help you with today? Do you have any special requests for your stay?
Actually, yes. Do you have any rooms with a view of the ocean?
Let me check. Pause for typing. Yes. We can arrange a deluxe room with an ocean view for an additional $50 per night. Would you like to upgrade?
That sounds amazing. Let's do it.
Perfect. I've upgraded your room to one with an ocean view. Your new total is $400 for 2 nights. Anything else I can assist you with?
Do you offer airport pickup?
Yes, we do. We can arrange airport pickup for $30. Would you like to book that as well?
Sure, I'd like to add that. My flight arrives at 3 p.m. on the 22nd.
Got it. We'll have a car waiting for you at the airport at 3 p.m. You'll receive all the pickup details in your confirmation email.
Thank you so much, Emma. That makes things easier.
You're welcome, Alex. We look forward to welcoming you to Sunshine Hotel. If you have any further questions before your stay, feel free to call us back.
Actually, just one more question. What time is check-in and check-out?
Check-in starts at 2 p.m. and check-out is by 12 p.m. If you need a late check-out, let us know in advance, and we'll try to accommodate you.
That works perfectly. Thanks again for all your help.
It was my pleasure, Alex. We look forward to seeing you next weekend.
Thanks, Emma. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
That's it for today's English speaking practice. You've learned how to make a hotel reservation, ask about room options, special requests, and even airport pickup. Now it's your turn. Try practicing these phrases on your own, and remember, the key to improving your English is to practice often. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.